Guys, it's me again, Savage Grandpa. It's my new username. I don't think anybody else has that username, but I just got Lightning Spell level 2. I'm going to be doing some attacks with that, and a little bit later in the night, I will be posting a video about Clash Royale. Simple and easy. About to see if anybody is on in the clan. And my Instagram is Savage. Thank you. See how much that new lightning spell costs. Lucky I got it. 2 of them before it was over. Now we're going to try one of my favorite attacks to use. I'll be posting a video right before war starts and right after war ends.
I went up a league.
It's my annoying brother in the background, being a dirtbag. Always calling people names. About to have to destroy him. Ooh. Yeah, no. Wait. Bro, if you don't shut up, I'll execute your face with a fist.
If you do that, you will be executed for murder.
You see what I mean? He's annoying. Sorry about the sound in the background, but always tries to annoy me at the worst time. You're gonna want to drop that lightning about right there. Definitely a lot more damage. I'm gonna drop the wizards. Right here. Okay, this attack is zone good so far. It could be better. I'm hoping we can at least get the 2-star. Looks like we're about to get the 1-star. Yep, high 2-star would be nice. We got the 1-star. Okay, it's been pretty good. Before the end of the year, like right after Christmas, I'm gonna start upgrading the Townhouse 6, if not before that. Because I'm pretty maxed out. I just need to upgrade. I max out my collectors and then my walls. My walls are pretty close. Okay, looks like it's about to be a 3-star. I didn't check the corners. Those right there. Should be a 3-star. There's nothing else left. Up at 10. Okay, we got that. There's only 2 more buildings. They're obviously gonna get there in time. I don't care. Archers are going in there doing work. That wizard both of them get in there. They're gonna do work. Yeah, the wizard got to watch the building. Dang, it costs 30 to boost. I'm going to boost all my big ones because I'm going to need a lot of gold. And if I could find one more gem. Let me train my last army. Let me tell me in the comments what you guys would like me to train next and use.
update this. And I must do at least this advanced spot of the spot.
Okay, it's full. Let's go. The reason I have the arrows and stuff, such, and so you can take out the air defense. Try to find base where the air defense is right there. Nice loot. My phone tends to freak out when I put 2 fingers down. Hoping they will go straight for that air defense. Probably not. Just can't wait till I get the hill spells. Yeah, they're gonna take out like 4. Crap. It is definitely a failed attack. Yeah, there's definitely a failed attack, guys. And why my Barch army is still training, which is going to take 21 minutes. Probably not going to be able to wait that long. I would gym it. I don't have enough. And 50. Take one away. And before we go, I am about to go in here. I'm gonna switch to my upgrading base. Set it as my active. Kind of, I have bombs and stuff everywhere. Bed. It's time to upgrade some walls. Crap. Let me stop that. My balls matter more. And there basically goes 100,000 gold. And I'm going to use up all my gold right now. And then that's all that I could upgrade. Switch back to my other base. Set is active, and looks like everything's good. Let me get something quick and easy to upgrade. Only level 1. Easy, and see you guys later. Remember to like and subscribe. Bye.